Yo, what's good everybody? This your boy ReggieJaySneakz coming at you guys today with a new video. As you guys see that from the title down below, what we're going to be getting into today. But before we get into today's video, I just wanted to go ahead and take a brief moment real quick and tell you guys thank you so much for subscribing to the channel, because we finally hit 1K. I know it's not really a big milestone compared to other people, but to me this is a real big milestone for me, because it does take a lot for a lot of people to hit even over 100 subscribers. So to be at 1,000, that really is really dope. I know it's just the first milestone of many, because I know I'm gonna go ahead and try to stick to my grind and keep on elevating and keep on grinding so I can grow bigger and bigger. So yeah, hope you guys are ready for that journey, because I'm not stopping no time soon. So thank you guys for subscribing. If you guys haven't subscribed and you guys are new to the channel, from the title down below, I need you guys to go ahead and like this video right now, as well as a comment down in the comments down below if you guys copped or passed on these right now, because we haven't gotten to the review, so we don't know how the shoe even looks at right now. So let me know if you guys copped these or passed on these. I do have the box right here. It's from Trophy Room. I did not unbox it. I want to go ahead and unbox it with you guys on the channel. Got off work not too long ago, jumped in the shower. Once I came home, I seen the package waiting on my doorstep. I wanted to go ahead and get straight out to you guys. All that being said, we got all the intro out the way. We got the thank you for you guys actually subscribing out the way. So what's left besides to go ahead and get right into this unboxing? So in the meantime, between time, you guys are gonna get straight to this review and on foot on the alternate. Alright, so now let's go ahead and get this little butter knife. I ain't want to use no big knife on camera, because whoever brother decides to go ahead and, you know what I'm saying, cut itself or something. But I do plan on getting me a better knife later on, because I probably will be doing more unboxings on my channel. If you guys have seen any more of my other videos that I normally do, I normally go pick my shoes up from the store. I took it on all my apps, so I had no other choice but to do a raffle, and I ended up winning. So these drawers just came in the mail. Since I already cut off the top, you know what? I'm gonna just rip it. It should be good to go, hopefully. Yeah, there we go. Throw that out the way, and we're about to go ahead and get straight into this. As you guys can see the back of the box right now. I'm watching the screen as we both unbox this joint together. Let's go ahead and pull these joints out. Got them right here. Throw this joint out the way. Show you guys where I got these joints from. As you guys see right here, Trophy Room right there, all the way from Florida. You know what I'm saying? I think my shoes should be good. You know what I'm saying? I know Corona kind of high over there, but I think we should pretty much be good. And if anything, I'll probably just sanitize it once. Let's go ahead and get straight into these joints. If you guys are new to the channel and haven't watched any of my reviews, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys know how my reviews go. My reviews go, I'll show you guys the box first, show you guys the tag, then we're gonna get inside the box. Then from the inside the box, we're gonna get to the shoes. From the shoes, we're gonna show off all the details of the shoes, tell you guys how I feel about them. Then from there, I'm gonna put them on feet. That's gonna pretty much be the end of the video. So if you guys are ready for this, we're gonna get straight into it. So from here on out, I'm gonna show you guys how these joints are looking up close and personal. All right, so now we're going to get straight into the box, starting off with the lid. As you guys can see, we got this all black upper on the top of the lid, but on the bottom of the box, you guys have that black cement on there. You got the red Jumpman on the top, as well as the Nike Air on each corner of the top lid. You have the Nike branding on the bottom of the box, and then getting into the actual tag of the shoe, you guys are going to have Air Jordan 5 Retro. Then you got the color code, which is going to be Grape, Ice, New Emerald, and Black. 136027 500. The size I got, which is mine, is going to be a US 10, which would be a size 9 in the UK. QR code, as well as retail price, which is going to be $190. And these shoes were set to release on the July the 7th. They did end up getting pushed back an extra day, which would be the 8th. And as you guys can see from where you guys will be seeing this video, brother just pretty much getting these today on the 13th. And shout out to my sister, because today is her birthday. So happy birthday to you, sis. Hope you enjoyed it. I know you said you had a birthday party, and yeah, it was a girls' night thing, but glad you had fun. Hopefully you have a good day today, you know what I'm saying, and stay cool to be outside. But yeah, these shoes was set to release on the 8th. I mean on the 7th, but then they got pushed back to the 8th. Pretty much going to be the box itself, getting into the inside of the box, pulling back this young tab. As you guys can see, we got the stamp in the inside, as well as the little sticker. Moving back the paper, as you guys see, we got that black wax paper to hold in all that suede. But yeah, enough with all the box and this paper and the tags and all that. Let's go and get straight into the actual shoe. my first time actually seeing these joints actually in hand. So you guys gonna get my first actual impression of these shoes. So let's go ahead and get it right here on camera. You feel me? Ooh, I can see that purple busting out the side. I don't know if y'all can see it. You see that purple busting out the side? Hopefully it comes up purple, because I know I probably will have to tap the screen because this purple is really vibrant from what I was hearing. So it probably won't come up blue, but I'm gonna try my best to go ahead and make sure you guys can see it in its full glory. So yeah, you guys, damn man, these joints is fire. Compared to my top threes and the rest of them, I was, debating if I wanted to keep these or keep the top threes. I'm not sure. I'll probably just go ahead and raffle off the top threes and just go ahead and keep these. There's no point in keeping that shoe in the collection when I already got these joints right here. So yeah, you guys, gonna get straight into this review. I know this review is already gonna be a little bit long for me kind of talking to you guys earlier and now, so I kind of will make this review a little bit quick. So yeah, you guys, we got this all upper suede on this joint. It was going to be that grape ice, because they don't want to call it the grape, so we just call this all short hair suede on the upper. You guys, then you guys gonna have that smoke or black tint on the netting system on the side, which is actually on this tongue as well. The tongue does come in 3M, so you guys have that off gray color just for the simple fact of the 3M, or your tongue will probably be all black. We do have those hints of that new emerald color, which will be on the tongue of the shoe as well as the lace lock and on the side of the midsole, as you guys see, because the midsole is all black with the emerald on the side. Then you guys have that icy outsole on the bottom, mixed in with that Grape Ice Jordan Jump logo on the bottom. This shoe does not come with any Nike Air branding. Everything has the Jordan brand logo on it, and if not, it has the Jordan sand on it. So yeah, you guys, this shoe is pretty clean. I ain't even gonna lie. And obviously in the inside, you guys have a black sock liner with the Air Jordan on the back of the tongue. You guys already know that. If you guys haven't had a pair of fives, then that's what you guys need to go ahead and know, because if you guys don't know, if you pull down your tongue from the front, you can read it straight the way it's supposed to be read, and if not, it just looks a little bit upside down. This shoe is pretty dope. It's not really much to really talk about, because all it is just an all over suede ice grape upper, which is really dope. How the suede actually moves ashy to like dark ashy to dark ashy to dark. These shoes do fit through the size, so if you do want to go ahead and get a half size down, you probably still could be able to fit it. Probably will be a little bit snug, but make sure you guys get your size. If you guys find a steal or something and you guys have to go half size down, you guys can still do that as well. These shoes though is really dope. I know most of my outfits I'm probably gonna rock with this is probably gonna either be all black or gray, just for stuff I want my shoes to pop more than what I'm actually wearing. As you guys can see, you know what I'm saying, I wear all black, but my shirts always look a little simple, but I always have some on the back of my shirts, and if not, it's on the front, and you probably just can't see it in the lens, because I know a lot of my shirts when I be filming look like I actually wear the same shirt, but I don't. It's just I love black shirts, so I got a lot of different black tees. So yeah, you guys let me know down in the comments down below if you guys are feeling these joints. Did you guys cop these, pass on these? I know I did pass on the retro ones, light smoke gray, as well as the Concord stretch 11s, because there was no point in me actually having two pair of purple shoes in my collection, because I will most likely only be wearing this one, and I probably won't even be wearing the 11 lows. I really don't even like those like that. You guys let me know if you guys like these shoes down in the comments down below. If I missed out anything, let me know down in the comments down below as well, and I will for sure get back to you guys. Oh, last thing that I almost forgot was the inner sole of the shoe. And the inner sole of the shoe is the emerald color as well, and it's really well put together. Like I said, the suede on it is really great compared to the top threes. So if you guys haven't got the top threes and you guys can get these, I say get these. And if you guys can't get these and get the top threes, I say get the top threes, because the top threes is still a great sneaker as well. But I don't need both, because as you guys see, I got a lot of black and red shoes in the back, and then if I'm gonna just wear it because of the grapes, I might as well just wear these. So you guys let me know, man, which one you guys are feeling now. If the only bias I can say with this one is, if they put that 23 on the side, that Nike Air on the back, oh boy, these shoes would be real problem, a real problem. I feel like these shoes can easily go for $250 on the retail price point. If you had the Nike Air on the back plus the 23 on the side, just think about it in purple. Man, these shoes would even be even more fire. But yeah, you guys, let me know what you guys think down in the comments down below. I'm gonna go ahead and get into these change of clothes so I can give you guys these dope on foot shots. So if you guys are ready for the dope on foot, make sure you guys stay tuned. Make sure you guys follow me on my social media, because like I told you guys, we already hit 1K. So it's time to go ahead and turn up on the channel. I got a lot of stuff coming to the channel, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Like I said, I still gotta go to Raw, still gotta go to Marshall, still gotta go to Nike, still got other shoes dropping. We still got stuff I gotta do on my whip. Go ahead and stay tuned with the channel. Make sure you guys hit that notification bell, and make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, and make sure you guys tell a friend to follow a brother, because you know what I'm saying, we need to go ahead and keep on going enjoying and spending and go ahead and keep on bringing out this dope content to you guys. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed this on foot of these shoes. And make sure you guys stay tuned for that. And yeah, you guys just make sure you guys follow me on my social media. I see you guys on the next one. I'm out of here.